Everyone, on your Monday, tracking rain moving into the area. For most of us, just some scattered showers, but isolated thunderstorms will also be possible. Coverage will go up mid to late morning, so if you haven't seen the rain, you'll likely see it later this morning. Rain does thin out for the afternoon. The threat for severe weather is really low, but a few storms with gusty winds and small hail will be possible. The higher threat for severe weather stays closer to southeast Texas and along the Gulf states. Meanwhile, areas to our north, as in north of the Red River, do have winter weather advisories. We don't see any of that. We will see windy weather though. Wind advisory in place starting at noon through tomorrow, and this is for wind gusts up to about 45 miles per hour. You'll also feel the cooler air moving in as early as Tuesday.